welcome to today's video. Today I'm really excited because I'm doing my actual Halloween spread. I've done a couple the past few weeks, but this one, I don't know, I feel like it's the ultimate Halloween spread because I'm going to just go crazy with it. I'm going to pack as much Halloween stuff onto these 2 pages as I possibly can. So let me show you what the past week looked like. Here's the week we're currently in. We're on Friday evening right now, so still working through the weekend, but I really loved using this kit from Ever Changing Plans. This was so fun last week. Really enjoyed it. Something that I did learn from Andy over at Ever Changing Plans is that the scripts for the kits are customizable. So if you're looking to shop for stickers from Ever Changing Plans, check that out. I think that's a really cool feature. And also you can use code Bethany10 for 10% off. All right, so this week what I have is a whole stack of stickers from SammyDoodleDesigns. So let me show you what I've got here. This is the Halloween kit, and it comes with some boxes. We've got our icons, date headers, strips, sidebar stuff, sampler, full boxes, and washi. So I cannot wait to dig into this one. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. Oh, this is also like my favorite sheet ever. Look at this, Hocus Pocus. This is from the October subscription from Sammy Doodle. Love this one so much. I also have used quite a bit from this sheet already, but I'm going to use this Halloween deco from Sammy Doodle as well. Got some grocery stickers. These are new, so looking forward to trying those. Got just daylight savings here. I don't know if I'm gonna use the Day of the Dead, just because I don't know how much room I'll have left, but definitely daylight savings, because I need that reminder. And then of course my scripts that I printed. So a couple of things here as I'm just kind of deciding what I want to use first is that this kit is formatted for the 7x9 Plum paper, and I am in an 8.5 by 11. So if you see me doing some sticker surgery, it's just because I'm in a giant planner, and this is for the more standard 7x9. So if you have a 7x9, these kits are going to fit perfectly. But let's see what we can figure out. So I love this washi, but I don't know that it's gonna fit here along the bottom. So I might have to get creative there and figure that out. I don't know, I love it. I've got to find somebody to use that or this for sure. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start out with the glitter, because I think the glitter can go up here really nicely, and then I can put dates above that because I've got kind of 3 glitter to work with. So I think let's do that washi first. I'm gonna set up something to cover this, and of course date covers, sidebar stuff, all the good things. All right, so that is the whole structure of it. I really like it. I think the sidebar might be a little bit overworked, but I actually think it's cute. I like it. So next I'm gonna start putting in plans, starting with Monday, working my way over to Sunday, and let's just dig in. Okay, so first thing on my list, I'm just looking at my notes here. It is a trash and recycle day. So I have this script here, and then I also have an actual icon for both. Hang on. Okay, so Sammy Doodle also has this really cute icon that has both trash and recycle together. So I'm gonna use that one today with my script here. And I think that that's gonna be super cute. So that's always like a Monday evening deal. We put it out. Oh, and before I forget, Sam and I also have a cool thing that's going on over on Instagram. So there is a little Sammy Doodle giveaway. If you go check out my Instagram, you can see that there, but doing some kit giveaways. I'm very excited about it. So check that out if you're interested in trying out Sammy Doodle. Okay, so Monday I'm doing, hopefully if all goes well, Fuse workout in the morning. I'm gonna try to do my workouts every day in the morning this week and see if that works out. I've been really struggling with my workout times. I don't know, I just haven't found anything that works consistently. Like I've found things that kind of work here and there, but I definitely want to be more consistent with my workouts, and I just need to keep trying it until something sticks, you know? So I'm gonna try morning workouts this week. Oh, I also have actually a happy mail from Sammy Doodle coming this week. Hopefully, I think it'll be here by Monday. Aren't those super cute? So these are Sammy Doodle as well. I'm getting to the point where I feel like I have, you know, I almost have a sticker for everything, which is kind of cool. Sometimes overwhelming because I feel like I have a lot of stickers, but I have so much fun with them that I feel like it's okay. We'll just stick this guy maybe. Well, mail comes around 3, so we'll just stick it down there. I really like putting dinner in my planner. It has helped so much when it comes to like just being more organized as far as like when we're having dinner, especially now that the kids have hockey and other stuff going on. Tuesday will be a cardio day, and that's also a project work day at work. I almost forgot, I actually have a hair appointment on Tuesday. All right, moving over to Wednesday. Wednesday there is, let's see. Next on Wednesday I was gonna do cardio again. And then lots of trainings. Let's see if I can get all these in. 9 o'clock. 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, oh, 2 o'clock's a meeting. Something I do want to get better at is finding time to actually like relax and unwind, and I might have to put it in my planner because I'm just not doing it, and then I'm feeling kind of like burnt out in the evening, so I might need to find a way to block it somehow. I don't know, anyone else do that? If you plan time for relaxing, let me know. I sometimes put it a little bit, but I definitely don't. I'm not good at sticking to it when I do put it in. Almost forgot, need to meal plan on Wednesday as well. Okay, so updates since last week. I did go in and clean out my entire closet I put on Instagram last Saturday, and I actually had a lot of fun, to the point where I think that I am kind of getting the declutter bug. I've been like researching it. I've been watching YouTube videos. I got books on it. So I'm like really like super motivated to get everything decluttered lately, which I think is not a bad thing. It's just starting to feel like we have too much stuff. Maybe it's because we've been home so much so lately, and I'm just feeling like I need a fresh start somehow. But I'm really getting into it. So I think that's gonna be, I need to also find some time to schedule in more time for that as well, because it's a project that I really enjoy doing. I don't know that in the moment it feels good, but when you're done, oh my gosh, it's just amazing. So what I did this past Saturday is I actually cleared out, I took all of my clothes from all over the house, like not just in my closet or not just a dresser. Like I had clothes in 2 different dressers. I had my whole closet, you know, downstairs closet with coats, mittens from the car, different sweaters, like all of the clothes from everywhere. And I put them on the bed, went through them Marie Kondo style, and like the results were just amazing. Like I'm loving my closet now. I don't miss any of the stuff I got rid of, at least not so far. And it was just like super rewarding. So that's cool, but now it has me like evaluating my entire house, because I'm like, okay, what can I do in the kitchen? What can I do in the living room? What, like it's definitely snowballing. So I don't know. Again, I don't think it's a bad thing. I think it's pretty, wow, Thursday is shaping up to be busy next week. Like, wait a minute, Thursday's cool. That'll be fun. Okay, so Friday, another fuse workout. I actually didn't get to fuse at all last week. I felt horrible. It was just, I had a meeting interrupt at one time, and then I had like an alarm issue because I wasn't used to going on Mondays. So I feel so bummed I didn't get to go to those classes, and it's all my fault for, again, I'm just not getting into a good routine. So definitely working on that next week. What else do I have on Friday? I'm asking you guys like you know. The meeting, I have a meeting at 9 o'clock. Let's see what else. I think it's also project work on Friday next week. Let's see, I need a planning sticker of some sort to go there. And I'm sure I have an icon for something planner related there. Yeah, even this one from the icons. Let's see, let's do, this one looks schedule-y. Perfect. All right, moving into the weekend here. The boys have hockey, of course. Actually, some early hockey on Saturday. But that means we have the rest of the day. And, oh, this is Halloween, actually. Duh. Okay, so that's, I guess, good they go in the morning, because then they'll have the evening to do Halloween stuff. We're not doing trick-or-treating just because of COVID, etc. Oh, we still got some stuff planned. Oh no, I didn't put podcast on here on this one. Well, I'm just gonna have to write it with my actual hand. All right, so that actually is most of the week. I'm gonna stick down just a sticker because I'm gonna put my YouTube schedule down here later once I figure that out. I think I'm probably just gonna be doing one video next week. Going into November, December, probably I'm gonna be just doing one video a week, just because the holidays are so crazy, and I can already feel like, you know, with the kids' activities plus holidays, I just know I'm gonna be swamped. So I'm gonna go in with icons to finish this out and wrap that up, but this is looking really good. All right, I think this is it. It turned out really cute, and I totally love it. I feel like it's very Hocus Pocus themed with all of the little quotes and images, and we just watched the movie the other night. It was so much fun to see with the kids. They thought it was super cheesy, but you know, it is, and that's why we love it. So I thought that was cool. I'm looking forward to next week. I think this, like I said, is so fun. I'm loving this and just excited to have fun with Halloween. I feel like, especially lately, we need to build in as much fun as we can. This is definitely way more decorative than I usually go, but I'm willing to sacrifice the space for all of these super cute stickers. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Happy and safe Halloween, and we will chat soon. Bye, guys.